YouTube? It is your favorite girl, Nia Imani, here back with another video. Welcome back to my channel, y'all. If you're new, you already know what you need to do. Click that subscribe button so you never miss when I upload a video. But as you read the title above, today I'm going to be showing you all a quick little skincare haul. I got a lot of things, but I'm gonna make it, I'm gonna make it a little quick. I don't want y'all to have to be like, okay girl, we talk about this for a bit too long. So I just kind of really want to show you all what I've actually been using that's new, and then what are some new things that I got and why I got them or why I'm testing them out. Let's just jump in, but I'm going to start off specifically with some black owned brands that I'm supporting. Some of this stuff is PR, some of this stuff was gifts, and some of these things were things that I purchased with my own money, okay? All right, so first I'll start with Topicals. So Topicals was actually started by two of my friends, Olamide and Claudia, this year. Well, they've actually been building this company for a year now, let's say a year. And they've been able to raise about $1 million to fund this venture that they're creating. And pretty much this is going to be a skincare brand for people who have chronic skin conditions, who are suffering from hyperpigmentations, acne, scarring, dry flaky skin, all of that type of stuff. These are products for you. So the first product that I've been using is called Faded, and Faded is basically going to be a cream that's going to help fade and just alleviate symptoms associated with hyperpigmentation. It does contain kojic acid, tranexamic acid, melatonin, niacinamide, and licorice root. So I've really been using this in my routine. Sometimes I use it at night, sometimes I use it during the day, but every time I use it, I ensure that I'm wearing sunscreen just to make sure that, when you're putting these types of acids on your face, you want to make sure that you are protecting your skin. But it works, so that's that. And then their second product is Like Butter, and this is a very moisturizing cream. It's not greasy, it's not heavy, it's not gonna weigh the skin down. And Like Butter actually contains ginseng, green tea, rhubarb, turmeric, and another ingredient that I cannot pronounce right now. But honestly, if you are experiencing hyperpigmentation, or if you're experiencing just dry, flaky, itchy skin because of eczema, because of psoriasis, I would definitely give Topicals a look. You can find them at Nordstrom, or you can find them at mytopicals.com. And then I think they have this duo for both of these products. You can get them for $50, or if you buy them separately, they're $36 a piece. Alrighty, so next up we actually have Moon X Cosmetics, and I have their 1 ounce of Rose Galore. So if you haven't been on the internet, if you haven't been under a rock, you will know that Moon X Cosmetics is that skincare brand right now. Everybody has been trying to get their hands on it. I was surprised that I was able to get my hands on it, but I got me some Rose Galore. But pretty much this brand was started off by a teenager at the time when she began the brand, and she was experiencing some different acne issues. So she said, you know what, I'm gonna make my own skincare brand. And right now everybody is like, this is all of the rave. She's about 21 now, I believe. Her name is Marie, and she's popping as fuck. So I got the Rose Galore. I've been using it here and there just because I use oils on my face, but it just kind of depends on when I want to use them. I tend to just kind of find things that are more hydrating to the skin, like moisturizers instead of oils. But in the wintertime, you will catch me using more of my Rose Galore because I do want to make sure that I'm able to lock in like my creams and my moisturizers. So I have the Rose Galore, but she has plenty other products. I do believe that she will be restocking on October 2nd, so you should definitely go and see what Moon X Cosmetics has going on and see if that is a brand that you would be interested in. Alrighty, next I actually picked up some Black Girl Sunscreen from Target. I have been using Urban Skin RX for a while now, but I was like, this literally has my name on it, Black Girl Sunscreen. So I went and I picked it up. So far I've been loving it. I have been doing the 2-finger method. Like, I've been putting sunscreen on 2 fingers because that's how much makeup our women of color said we need to use. And at first I was like, this is a lot. Like, even my old sunscreen, I was like, this is a lot. And then I did it with this one. I was like, this is a lot. When I tell you, my skin, like, I literally look like a glazed donut. I literally put it into my skin, massaged it into my skin. I was not purple, I was not gray, I was not white, I didn't look like Casper, none of that. So I'm definitely loving Black Girl Sunscreen. It's pretty affordable. You can pick it up at your local Target. I like that that's convenient because when I run out, I can just go and get it from Target. Okay, so another black owned brand that I have been eyeing is Nola Skin Essentials. I've just been seeing it all over Instagram. I've been following them for a while now. I think they're based here in Georgia, and it is, like I said, it started by a black woman. Her name is Jane. She's young. I feel like she might not be that many years older than me, and she is running a very successful business right now. I love it. I love the diversity that her brand has. It's just it looks really, really dope to me. So, and you see real genuine results from her skincare brand, and I like that she uses a lot of different plant and fruit extracts and materials and herbs all in her brand. She has some her products do actually contain some chemicals that are safe to the skin, which I like, because you know, you can't just get good skincare with just simply oil and flowers. Like, you do sometimes need some AHAs, some BHAs, and some different chemicals that can help certain skin conditions. So I like that she has definitely incorporated those types of ingredients into her products. So I went ahead and I picked up their September sample bundle. So I have actually like mini size products, if that makes sense. So I'm just going to read you guys what I got. And if you have any products from Nola Skin Essentials, definitely let me know in the comments what you like. So what I got in my September bundle was their pumpkin enzyme mask. I have the Ultra Glow and Protect serum. I have the Skin Bright serum. And then I also have the Afterglow mist. So after I kind of tried these and test these things out, definitely be sure to, like, you know, catch up with me on social media. Maybe Instagram. I'll probably give you all a more thorough update about this, just because they are really small. So I don't know if I'll be able to give y'all like a full-fledged you know, review on the product. All right, next, y'all, these have been some products I've been really excited for. I've been stalking my UPS tracking. I've really been stalking my mail lady. I've been stalking everybody. I've been stalking this brand because I'm like, this shit just looks so luxe, so expensive, so high class, but so, like, it looked like it was gonna work for me, or it's going to work for me, because I only tried it one time so far, but it looks like it's going to work for me. So I just had to go ahead and I had to support this brand, and the brand that I'm talking about is Claire. Let me show y'all the packaging, because it's so beautiful and it's so sleek, it's so minimal, it's just luxe. And these are how all of the products look. Aren't they just beautiful? They look like a little family. Okay, so the product I would say that I was most excited for, but I'm honestly really excited for all of them, was the Gentle Matter Cleanser. It just looks rich. It looks like it's going to be a gentle cleanser. It's not going to strip the face. It's not going to make the skin feel dry, tight, all of that stuff. And when I used it, honestly, that's how my skin, it didn't feel dry, it didn't feel tight. It just felt like I had a really nice, deep cleanse, but my skin was okay, right? And so basically they suggest that you pair the Gentle Matter with the Skin Soil, which is basically a multi-additive exfoliating grain. I think it has rice grain in it. Let me double check. Yeah, so it actually has brown rice powder, rosehip seed powder, and MSM powder. So this is going to be an exfoliant that is a natural biodegradable exfoliant. This does not contain any type of like plastic seeds or plastic beads that are going to go down your drain and ruin the environment. No. So I mixed the Gentle Matter with the Skin Soil, which is basically like a powder that you add. You add, like, you do about 2 pumps of the Gentle Matter, and you add like a little, you know, season your face wash just a little bit, put a little bit of water in it, mix it together, and it's going to create an amazing experience. These two products together are amazing. They smell good. I think the Gentle Matter has dandelion and olive, and like I mentioned, this has brown rice powder, rosehip powder, MSM powder. So these two are really good. And then also, this is a very luxe serum. Okay, this is Immersion. Y'all, I did about 3 pumps, because I saw somebody else on YouTube said they used, like, you're supposed to use like 1 pump. I used 3 pumps, and that was too much. You literally just need 1.5 types of pumps after you cleanse your skin, after you tone your skin, to just really bring that moisture and that hydration to the skin before you put on your moisturizer. Like, this is like a step before the moisturizer. So it is a serum. It's amazing. It feels amazing. But like I said, I will keep y'all updated, because this is something that is new that I've introduced into my regimen, but it's definitely something that I will be keeping in my regimen. So shout out to Claire, because these products already, I feel the difference. You know, when you do better, when you know better, you do better type shit. That's how I feel with my Claire. Alrighty, so now that we have our black owned brands out of the way, I want to show you guys 3 things actually that I picked up from Target. I did pick up the, you know, Black Girl Sunscreen from Target, and while I was there, I went ahead and I picked up the CeraVe. This is the Renewing Essay Cleanser. It's for normal skin. It's a gentle cleanser that exfoliates while softening the skin, and it does contain salicylic acid. It is non-comedogenic. Y'all, if you need a good cleanser that's gonna not strip away your skin, that's affordable, I think I paid about $8 for this. This is the cleanser for you. It literally, after I double cleansed and I put this on, my skin was so clear. I think I even just probably put this on when I had makeup on my face, and it literally got everything off. So I feel like this is a very good cleanser. It lathers really good without stripping the skin. It doesn't cause the skin to be drying. You do not need a lot, and I feel like a little bit goes a long way. this is a good skincare find. So I just had to throw that out there for y'all. If you're looking for something affordable, CeraVe is definitely the way. And then I went and I picked up the Neutrogena Hydro Boost Water Gel Sunscreen. This was just something that I can use on and off when I'm doing my black girl sunscreen. I can use this if I'm just, you know, in the house chilling. And then I picked up the Neutrogena Hydro Boost. This is their water gel. This is a moisturizer. It has hyaluronic acid. Y'all, this is the truth. This is a very good drugstore moisturizer. If you just need something to wear and you want your skin to be nice and supple and moisturized and hydrated, this is the way to go. And again, this is from the drugstore. You know, like sometimes you have to have high, or not even that you have to, you don't have to have high-end makeup or skincare. I like to dibble and dabble and see and try out different products because that's just who I am. But it's a lot of stuff that you could pick up at your local Target that would do the job. And I definitely think that this is a really good moisturizer that I was sleeping on for a while. So this is really bomb. All right, and lastly, I picked up some things from Sephora. Let me go grab one more thing because it's sitting over there. So the thing that I initially went into Sephora to try was actually the Milk Makeup Hydro Grip. What is this? Their Grip Set and Refresh Spray. So far, so good. I like it. I'm wearing it now. Can I be very honest with y'all? I went to sleep with this makeup on, and right now, it is 6:45 at night. I put some powder on my face, and I said, you know what? We're going to do this video right now. And I've done it a few different times, but sometimes I would look so oily that I was like, you know what? You just need to try again, ma'am. But today, I didn't really have that issue, because I think this setting spray really works. And I mean, it's cool. It's not necessarily a mattifying setting spray, but I think it does, you know, set the face really good, refresh the space. I just like to try different things, and I like it. I like the primer that they have. If you like milk, I would say try the sample size before you commit to the large size, but I know that I like refreshing setting sprays, things like that. So that's why I went ahead and I got the bigger size. Next, I went ahead and I picked up the Laneige. Y'all know I love me some lip sleeping mask. This is in the flavor Gummy Bear. I do think this is like limited edition, so I was like, you know what, let me just go ahead and stock up. But the one that I have now, I have the apple lime. I'm still not even halfway through with this. So these are some things that, this is like a product that you can have for a while and it won't go. Like, it'll take a while because you don't really need a lot. A little bit of product goes a long way. But I don't necessarily use this to go to sleep. Like, I put it on my face or my lips when I'm sleeping, but I wear it throughout the entire day. For me, I realized like their regular chapsticks versus this one works way better than the regular chapstick. Like, the chapstick is very moisturizing, don't get me wrong, but I realized I like this consistency and I like how long wear it felt on my lips, so I prefer to go ahead and go in with the sleeping mask. It's like crack. All right, next up, I went ahead and I purchased the Herbivore Pink Cloud Cream Jelly Cleanser. I was just looking for another cleanser because I ran out of some cleansers, so I wanted to just try some different things for different uses. For me, I feel like this is something that I would use maybe after I wash off my makeup, or maybe, you know, something that I use in the day. I really don't know yet. This is one product that I purchased that I haven't tried out yet, but I will let you guys know what it contains. It does contain rose hydrosol, and that's supposed to be hydrating and skin calming, and it provides a light, non-overwhelming natural aroma. It does contain tremella mushroom, and this is a superfood mushroom that holds up to 500 times its weight in water, making it a hydrating and a humectant powerhouse. It does contain squalene, which is a lightweight, non-comedogenic oil, and comedogenic means that it doesn't like clog the pores. That helps to remove makeup and provide the creaminess in this jelly. And those are some of the ingredients, but I like Herbivore. I think they're a really cool brand, so I wanted to try out their cleanser. So next up, I actually picked up Moon Juice's Acid Potion Toner, but it says that it is a resurfacing exfoliator. Y'all, I went in there thinking, I was like, okay, I need to get a different toner because I have been using Ola Hendrickson's Dark Spot toner, and I feel like it started to dry out my skin, but that might have been just because I was using it more frequently than I should have been. But I wanted to find a hydrating toner. After reading the ingredients, this is not a hydrating toner, so if you know of any hydrating toners, definitely let me know in the comments below. But it did seem like something good that I could try out. Off rip, I can tell y'all this is not a user-friendly type of deal, because you got to kind of like pour it into your hand like that, and I don't really, I mean, I like to do that, but it's a lot of shaking involved, and I feel like with my Ola Hendrickson bottle, it was more so I just squeezed it and I went away. But I want to let you guys know what it does contain if this is something that you might be interested in. So this product actually contains niacinamide, phytic acid, sodium hydroxide, glycolic acid, reishi mushroom, clary oil, citric acid, and a few other acids that I cannot personally pronounce. But so far, I think I've used it about 2 or 3 times. I did feel a slight tingle. I think my skin, I won't say has a sensitivity to niacinamide, but my skin kind of be like, girl, what's that? Because I've just started introducing niacinamide into my routine through Faded. So I think when I first started using Faded, I got little bumps around my skin, but then I think it was just purging itself, right? So it's kind of just like a little alarm, like, what's that, girl? So it definitely, it made my skin tingle a little bit, but I don't find that to be alarming when it comes down to toners especially. So I was just like, whatever. But so far so good. I will say it does feel a little drying on the skin, just a little bit. Like I can tell, like, okay, I gotta make sure like I hurry up and go on with my serum or my moisturizer. But I will keep you all posted to tell you if I feel like it is exfoliating my skin and it is reducing my, you know, my dark marks. All right, and the last 2 products I picked up were from Glow Recipe. I went ahead and I got the Papaya Sorbet Enzyme Cleansing Balm, which I'm actually about to use right after I take off this makeup. Like, this is what I'm gonna be using to take off my makeup. I was just really interested to see what, you know, they were talking about. I personally like Glow Recipe. I think they're a cool brand. I think that they're a functional brand. I think it's a brand that's for people who, you know, are interested in skincare, and they make it simple. They let you know what the ingredients are about. I just feel like it's a very transparent brand. That's my personal opinion. And I think they're a cute brand. Like, they make good products. I really like their sprays and their moisturizers when it comes to my skin. I haven't got my hands on their toner just yet, but so far I have had a good experience with Glow Recipe. But yeah, oil cleansing is very important to me. I do have a few other oil cleansers that are in my arsenal that I can share with you all. But for me, if I'm taking off my makeup or if I'm taking off my sunscreen, or just I really want to get in my pores and give it a really good deep cleanse, I always make sure that I oil cleanse. So I just wanted to see what this one was talking about, and that's why I picked it up. But you can just use regular oil. I've oil cleansed with safflower oil. I've oil cleansed with coconut oil. And I had just as good as an experience. But these types of things, I heard if you, like, you know, put it on your skin while it's dry and then you wet your skin, it kind of like foam, it like kind of, you know, lathers up a little bit like a soap. So that's interesting, but it's not a necessity. Again, I'm for the affordable skincare. So if you just want to pick you up some coconut oil and use that as your cleansing balm, that is 100% okay. And then the last thing I picked up from Glow Recipe was their Plum Plump Hyaluronic Serum. This is a deep hydration and glow. I pretty much just picked this up because I just wanted to see what it was talking about. That's my truth. But I will keep you all updated on how this will work for my skin. I'll probably just be using it, like if I'm not using my Claire, I'll probably just kind of switch on and off when it comes to the 2 serums, just to keep my skin hydrated and to keep my skin in a healthy, plump, moisturized state. Alrighty, and last but not least, I actually received a PR package from Drunk Elephant, and I wanted to show you guys on screen because just look at how cute this packaging is, right? So pretty much they just sent over some sandals, like some slides. And they just say drunk on them. So they sent over their polypeptide cream, which actually I really, really love. But then I just realized this shit is like $68. So I was like, that's a bit steep for my pockets. So I switched over to a more affordable type of moisturizer. But my time with the polypeptide cream was really good, especially in the winter months. That's when I started to use it. And it kept my skin very moisturized and very hydrated. Again, like, this is something that's more on the thicker and the creamier side. That's why I liked it in the winter time, and then I went on top of it with an oil, and that worked really well in my skin routine. Then they sent over there the Bronzy Anti-Pollution Sunshine Drops. Not really sure what that means, but it looks like it's gonna bronze up the skin. So they also sent that over. And then lastly, they just sent over their cute little lippy balm lipstick that I can use. All right, y'all, that is it for today's haul. I hope that you all enjoyed this. I don't know, maybe I'll do this more often when I go and I'm just like, hey, let me go splurge on some products. If you did like this video, definitely be sure to give this video a thumbs up and leave a comment. If you know of any dupes or if you know of any skincare products that you think that I personally would like, definitely let me know, because again, I'm always trying out different products. I'm always trying to see, you know, what works for my skin, or if there's anything that you would like me to try out before you buy it. Definitely let me know, because I'll do that too, just to let you know if your money is worth it. Thank you all so much for stopping by, and I will see you all in my next video. Bye.